Right, we have got one of the first customer LVS packs in the showroom on the turntable. Customer's just about to come and pick it up, but I want to jump on and do a quick little talk round of how good this thing looks, especially with that brand new laser light kit in there. We seem to be fitting laser lights to everything at the minute, but this is the first set that have been put onto a new Transporter, and a new Transporter with the IQ headlights, which took a little bit of working out with the CAN interface, but Lazer have got a really helpful CAN-mate setup, which allows us to talk to the headlights, set the lights up as we need them to do off the auto high beam, if you're having the position lights active. So there's a DRL behind the laser lamps, which we'll show you in a second, because that does look really good. But anyway, probably the main attraction to this van is that LVS front end. So we've got the brand new LVS chin, splitter, and the canards, all in the satin black. And then what we've done as well is we've done this top grille in satin black. There's quite a lot of colour, body colour on the front of one of these new Transporters. So the satin black grille here just really breaks that front end up and just adds a real nice touch to it, in my opinion. But moving around the side, we've then got the LVT2s in matte black with a red EBC kit on there, which again, just that pop of colour from behind the wheels just makes a huge difference. And then moving down the side, we've got the door protection, the LVRF side skirts, we've got the LVRF rear spoiler and rear bumper, as well as one of our bumper protectors. I've just been chatting to the guys that have helped the customer build this van and spec the van up, and I've just heard that this is going to be sent away for a camper conversion after it leaves here, and then it's going on a trip around Scandinavia. So that's going to be really cool for the customer, taking it out into Europe and beyond, through Scandinavia, snow, bad weather, dark nights. So those laser lights, they're really going to help. The big brake kit, motoring down European motorways, there's going to be no brake fade, anything like that from the front end. But I think that is a really smart looking van, especially with those lasers. I think they suit that grille so well. So I mentioned earlier when we were doing a little walk around, I'm going to show you the laser lamps, because you can have them spec'd in or fitted in a slightly different way. So you can have them just completely off and then they come on with the high beam. You could put them on a separate switch, but then they also have position lights in here, and they have position lights either white LED or amber LED. If amber was something that you wanted, that's very US spec, I think is the term when you're looking at amber front running lights. But again, so just opening the door, the DRLs on the upgraded IQ headlights come on, along with the position light in the lasers, which that will stay on constantly. And then when the auto high beam kicks in, obviously the main laser light will come on as well. Really cool little addition, looks great, better visibility, especially if this chap's going all the way over to Scandinavia, where it's very dark most of the time. But if this is something that you want to inquire about, we have got plenty of availability of parts, workshop space, etc. But it doesn't just stop there. We've got very similar spec vans on the rental fleet, and we also have got very similar spec, if not higher spec vans coming through for the sales guys. So whether that be 4Motion, non-4Motion, 170 auto, long wheelbase, electric sliding doors, style pack with the leather and the leg extension and electric seats, these are a really well spec van now, and we have got plenty of them coming, just like the Fords. Lots of stock incoming, the right stock as well, high spec. So if it's something you've been thinking about, you want to investigate what we've got coming, colours, spec, lead times, all of that, drop the guys in the office a message, they'll get back to you with all the availability that we've got.